CSIR CMFR has conducted controlled blastings in sensitive areas for construction of 2 metro stations in Bengaluru and Mumbai Metro Rail projects. The present video is showing the drilling operation at Venkateshpura station of Bangalore Metro, explosive charging at Venkateshpura station of Bangalore Metro, muffling operation at Venkateshpura station of Bangalore Metro, controlled blasting at Venkateshpura station of Bangalore Metro, controlled blasting at Marol Naka station of Mumbai Metro, controlled blasting at MIDC station of Mumbai Metro, controlled blasting at Midshaft of Mumbai Metro, controlled blasting conducted at City Market Hospital for construction of Bangalore Metro, ensuring safety and stability of nearby structure. Controlled blasting performed at Kalva Devi station for construction of Mumbai Metro. CSIR CMFR has developed and executed controlled blastings for land development work for Navi Mumbai International Airport by cutting a 92-meter high, 1.2 km wide and 2.5 km long Ulve Hill and diversion of Ulve River by constructing a 120-meter wide and 3.2 km long diversion channel. The present video is showing the controlled blasting conducted for land development work at Navi Mumbai International Airport project site. Controlled blasting for flattening of Ulve Hill at Navi Mumbai International Airport project site. Controlled blasting conducted near densely populated area at Navi Mumbai International Airport project site. Controlled blasting for land development work to construct Navi Mumbai International Airport. Controlled blasting for preparation of runway at Navi Mumbai International Airport project site. Demolition of mega cliff created by haphazard mining in past for construction of Navi Mumbai International Airport. Land development work for development of city using controlled blasting technique in highly populated area of Ulve in Navi Mumbai. CSIR CMFR has developed controlled blasting techniques for safe excavation of hard rocks and faster progress of the road construction projects of Border Roads Organization in strategically important border areas near Indochina and China-Pakistan borders. The present video is showing the directional blast performed for fresh cutting at Maza Road in Arunachal Pradesh leading to Indo-China border. blasting for widening using horizontal holes at Ghatiabarg Lipu Lake Road in Uttarakhand leading to China border. For stabilization of unstable slopes near the railway tracks at various stretches of Konkan railways, directional control blasting techniques were designed and implemented by CSIR CMFR. The present video is showing the directional control blasting conducted at Agavi cutting site of Konkan Railway for increasing the stability and preventing collapse of the adjacent slopes. Directional control blasting conducted at Agavi cutting site of Konkan Railway for stabilizing the slope. Controlled blasting performed for stabilizing the slope by decreasing the slope angle at Bodavi cutting site of Konkan Railway. Directional control blasting at Bodavi cutting site of Konkan Railway for increased stability of unstable slopes. Controlled blasting conducted at Ukshi railway station of Konkan Railway for flattening of unstable slopes. For doubling of railway tracks of Kulem-Madgaon railway projects of RVNL at Sanwar Dam station near Goa. CSIR CMFR has demolished 7 numbers of old and unstable arched railway overbridges between Bhagalpur and Pir-Panti sections of Eastern Railways in Bihar state for laying down of new double line with electrification. The present video is showing the controlled and safe demolition of unstable railway overbridge, that is ROB, by blasting for construction of a new ROB for doubling of railway tracks near Pir-Panti railway station of Eastern Railways. Controlled and safe demolition of railway overbridge by blasting near Lakshmipur station between Bhagalpur and Pir-Panti railway stations of Eastern Railway for doubling of railway lines with electrification. Safe demolition of old unstable railway overbridge by blasting for doubling of railway lines with electrification near Kahalgaon railway station of Eastern Railway. For making foundation of new railway bridges near the existing rail bridge over Betwa and Koel rivers, CSIR CMFR has conducted controlled blastings near Jhansi of North Central Railway and near Banno, Ranchi of South Eastern Railway. The present video is showing the controlled blasting conducted for foundation of third railway line bridge pillar safeguarding stability of existing railway bridge located within 15 meters at Betwa River near Jhansi of North Central Railways. Controlled blasting for construction of new bridge pillar protecting the existing bridge near Jhansi over Betwa River of North Central Railway. Controlled blasting of the foundation of new bridge pillar safeguarding nearby old damaged running bridge at Koel River at Banno near Ranchi of South Eastern Railway.